actually staying out really nice. All right, Jen. Both ways. Nice distance. Nice job, Jen. There. I would tell him there, though, when he does stop, so you can start naming that.
I will when I get ready.
Hey.
Good. Drop.
Nice.
Drop.
All right.